The economy is stable, growth is accelerating, inflation is low, the exchange rate is stable, exports are rising, investment is increasing, and the confidence in Uganda's future remains strong. Economic growth for financial year 2025-2026 is estimated at 6.4%, up from 6.3% in financial year 2024-2025. The size of the economy is projected to increase to approximately United States dollars 69.3 billion. Most importantly, a larger economy will accelerate more jobs, raise household incomes, expand opportunities for businesses, and generate the resources required to invest in quality education, health care, infrastructure, security, and other public services that improve the lives of Ugandans. Mr. Speaker, remittances from Ugandans working abroad have significantly increased to $2.8 billion in the 12 months to March 2026 from $1.9 billion a year before. To date, 7,148 Emyoga circles have been established with over 2.48 million members and cumulative savings of Uganda shillings 95.3 billion. An additional Uganda shillings 100 billion has been allocated in financial year 2026-2027. Number two, Katale loan facility. The government, through the Microfinance Support Center, introduced this wealth fund to expand access to affordable working capital for market vendors and urban inform operators.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.